1. NASA's Juno successfully begins orbiting Jupiter. GS Paper 3, Science and Technology, Space Science. Why is it in news recently? NASA celebrated a key triumph on as its $1.1 billion Juno spacecraft successfully slipped into orbit around Jupiter. It was a mission to probe the origin of the solar system. Juno launched 5 years ago from Cape Canaveral, Florida, and has traveled 2.7 billion kilometers since then. About Juno spacecraft. Juno is a NASA New Frontiers mission currently orbiting the planet Jupiter. Juno was launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station on August 5, 2011 and arrived on July 5, 2016. The spacecraft is in a polar orbit to study Jupiter's composition, gravity field, magnetic field, and polar magnetosphere. Juno is the second spacecraft to orbit Jupiter, following the Galileo probe which orbited from 1995 to 2003. For Juno, however, 3 solar array wings, the largest ever deployed on a planetary probe, will play an integral role in stabilizing the spacecraft and generating power. Why to study Jupiter? Because Jupiter is so big, it has been influential in the story of the solar system. We can't understand the origin of the solar system and how Earth came about without understanding how Jupiter formed. There's still a lot we don't know about Jupiter. What is it made of? What lies beneath those beautiful, swirling clouds? What exactly drives its magnetic field? Jupiter might have formed at its current orbit, but some evidence also suggests that it could have formed farther from the Sun before migrating inward. Because Jupiter formed at the same time as the Sun, their chemical compositions should be similar. But Jupiter has more heavy elements, such as carbon and nitrogen, than the Sun.